this youth to understand the situation and for the government to also realize that the way in which the law is administered in our country is very slow. Justice is given, no doubts. I'm a law student. I have no regrets about law whatsoever. But the law has to be enforced fast and the law has to get tougher. And more important than that, the people have to be strong enough so as to say no to whatever is happening. The parents have to be good enough to tell their children, especially their sons, that such kind of behavior is wrong. They should be taught to respect their child. That's all here.
We have best of new teachers. Start with new teachers. The best of new teachers after our college. We have best of new teachers even the other schools which were there, girls school in Baksa. So I want to say very few things. One, we should not stop this stage here.
If at all any punishment, that of the capital punishment is given to them, I would say we have to respect all the vital organs of their body so that let us make other disabled able. Rather, their eyes, their kidneys, their liver, pancreas, whatever. And just get rid of it. So we always sympathize.
A severest punishment. The only thing is that if it was murder with rape, after rape, what will follow is murder of death. Okay? So therefore, that is the logic behind not equating murder, this rape to murder. But that is, does it mean that we should not have a strong law in this country? We need to have. But can we expect this from the people who are representing us? अवश्य म्हणना की MPs जे आसा MLA जे आसा ते आमचे बरे थोडे बरे ना बरे आसा पण ते मेजॉरिटी जे आसा पळय न्ही तेंची हे कितें आसा तेंचे जे मेन सपोर्ट बेस आसा पळय न्ही तो क्रिमिनल्स आसा they know that someday or the other their own men will be maybe committing this rapes so ते मातशे फाटी सरता so पूण कितें आसा हो लोकांचो प्रेशर जो बिल्ट अप जाला it's a good thing for society especially for male and female males and females coming together and saying that we want the severest of punishment to be placed. It's a good thing but more important than anything else is एकूच गोष्ट आसा law आसलो काय फायदो ना fundamental rights without article 32 is of no use. Means so that rapists whatever they may be whatever form he should be given the severe of the severe punishment. I now call Prashanti Azgaonkar to speak, who has been appointed by government on that rape finding committee of this Anaya Naik case. I have a request to her on behalf of you all. If this government is not going to enforce the Vishakha judgment of the Supreme Court, it is for activists like Prashanti to be our voice in that committee and to question government. You are there not as a government representative, but because we expect you to represent the voice of people. What you will do, Prashanti, if they don't appoint those Vishakha committees, if they don't force the school management to appoint Vishakha committees? Something that you have to do, please call a special meeting in next 48 hours of your committee and ask them to take a stand or all of you resign from that committee. It is becoming useless.
We have meeting tomorrow itself in the morning. So here I'm just a girl who is very much disturbed with this incident. I remember I stay at Porwari. I was disturbed just to experience that unwanted touch. Just that's a like कशाला असतले. That's a like आपला सुटका सुद्धा करून घेवपा शकले ना. Knowing the fact and also knowing the fact, so I demand every individual, please think when you are doing such things. That's it.
दिल्ली सारखो एक घडटा एक्सिडंट समाजाक एक जर्क बसता आनी समाजात एक रागाची वेव दिसता तरी ती जावकच जाय. तशें समाजाक जो पर्यंत आमकां राग येना तोपर्यंत कांय सुद्दां आमी करूंक शकना. बट आमच्यो ज्यो रिएक्शन्स रिस्पॉन्सीस ज्यो फुडें आसपाक जाय ते रॅशनल आसतात. ते जर रागान आयले, ते जर इमोशनानूच गवर्न जाले किंवा ते फियरान जाले जाल्यार तातल्यान सोल्युशनां येतात पळय ती तशीच येता. ताका लागून आमी हो विशय ब्रॉडली विचार करता जाय. म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें सांगलें की हो सोसायटीचो प्रॉब्लेम आमी समजून घेवपाक जाय. आमचे रिस्पॉन्सीस त्या प्रमाणे येवंक जाय. जाल्यार आमी पयलीं सगळ्यांत मोस्ट गोश्ट पळोवंक जाय आज की आमी आज 50% हे देशात जर भायर. हांवें निवेदन सुद्दां आमचे एक रिप्रेझेंटेशन विमान आनी चायल्ड डिपार्टमेंटाक दिलें की मिडिया हावसांनी घडच्यो म्हणून. कित्याक अशे इन्सिडंट मिडिया हावसांनी घडिल्ले आसा आनी त्या वेळार जालां कितें की जो फुडें येता चली किंवा कोण तेकाच सांगत जाता तूं सोडून वच नोकरी म्हणून. हो उपाय आमचे कडेन. हे अशे उपाय जर ते समाजांतल्यान वतले जाल्यार ह्यो सगळे हातूंनी ऑर्गनायजेशनांनी ह्यो विक्टिमा खातीर ताका इमिजिएट इन्क्वायरी करपाक, इम्पार्शियल इन्क्वायरी करपाक ह्यो कमिटी, विशाखा कमिटी घडपाक जाय. आनी म्हाका दिसता आमी योग्य मागण्यो करनासतना रॉंग मार्गान तर वचत की बायलांनीच वचची न्ही. कोण सांगता बावडी इमोशनली सांगता बायलोय.
आता एक अशें जाल्लें आसा की रेप म्हणटा तो वता खंयी जाता केन्नाय जाता. सर्वे आमचे इंडियन सर्वेज म्हणटा की प्रत्येक 22 मिनटाक एक बाय इंडियन वुमन इज रेप. आनी हे आमच्या महानंदाचीच केस. इट इज वन ऑफ द रेअरेस्ट केसीस जाता की कितले त्या मनशान कितल्या बायलांक रेप केला, कितले बायलांक मारला आनी तरी तो कितें करता. तो आतां जेलीन आसा. ताका सारकें वेळाचें जेवण मेळटा. ही लीड जाता टिनेज लायफान आसा. सो इफ यू कंपेर काल जो रेप जाला तो किंवा हो सुद्दां बी कंपेर केलें जाल्यार म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता की रेअरेस्ट ऑफ द रेअर केसीस. आनी जशें आमच्या मर्डरान आसता की रेअरेस्ट ऑफ द रेअर केसीस आर गिवन कॅपिटल पनिशमेंट. म्हाका अशें दिसता की दीस इज अ रेअरेस्ट केस आनी कॅपिटल पनिशमेंट हॅज टू बी गिवन इन दीस केसीस.
तनुजा नायक केस याद आसतली. तनुजा नायक had slapped the person who was eve-teasing her. This happened in a bus only. So then she was murdered. Till date, the culprits, everybody knows who the culprits are. Nothing has taken place. This happened in 2001. Magid, I want to tell you this. I was talking to a women's right activist about Mahanand case. I said तुम्ही बायलांच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनाने व्हडलो बोळा करू ना महानंदाचे केसीचे. तितलो जाता तितलो बोळा जावना. That women's right activist, she told me that no. I said, what about capital punishment? Demand capital punishment for Mahanand Naik. So she said, no. We are against capital punishment. You know, it's against God and it's against all this. So I feel what we should demand. This poster should be high up in the air. We should demand capital punishment only, and nothing short of capital punishment for all the cases that have. And this, we are talking about the rarest of rare cases. This is the rarest of rare case. Even Mahanand's case, 16 girls he has murdered. He has confessed to 16 girls murder. Still he is enjoying a luxurious life in the jail. Nothing is happening to him. So we should all demand for capital punishment and nothing short of that.
आम्ही जेन्ना भोंवतात तेन्ना आमी जेन्ना दुसऱ्या बशी तेन्ना घडटा असो इन्सिडंट येता. बसींनी चड करून असले प्रसंग घडटात आनी एखाद्रे चली जर त्या प्रसंगाच्या विरुद्ध जर आवाज उठयता आसत जाल्यार आमी विचार करपाची गरज आसा की कितले जाण त्या चलयेक सपोर्ट करतात. एक जर चली खंयच्याय चल्यान ताका हात लायलो जावं ताज्या आंगार जर पडलो आसत जाल्यार ते जेन्ना त्या चल्याक झगडटा त्या चल्या कडेन जाल्यार खंयचोच दादलो जावं खंयचीच बायल खंयचेच चली ते चलयेक जे विरोध करता ताका केन्नाच सपोर्ट करिना. आनी वयल्यान चडशे दादल्यांचे रिएक्शन अशें आसता की चलयेच अशें आसता म्हणून. कारण हे हांवें स्वता दोळ्यांनी पळयल्ले अशे एक्सपिरियन्सीस आसात, अश्यो घटना आसात. आनी खंयचोच दादलो अशें म्हणना की ते चलयेचे बाबा कितें चूक ना रे तूं ताका कित्याक त्रास करता अशें म्हणून कोण फुडें येनात. आनी जेन्ना कोणी जर आयलो जाल्यार वयल्यान ताका ते चलये वयल्यान
the rapist, the criminal deserves something more than capital punishment, which is called suffer punishment. They should keep in some the dark room. They should literally let the criminal should starve to death because they deserve something more than that. They should know how the girl goes through all this stuff. जेन्ना कितकी आमकां पिडा जाता ती पिडा तांकां भोगना. ती एक मारता सोमते वयता ती पिडा तेंच्यांनी भोगूंक जाय. आनी हांव इतकेच हांगा मॅसेज दिवपाक सोदतां रस्त्यार भोंवपी बायलां जीं आसा जी
नारीचो सम्मान करपाक आमी सगळे उबे रावता, पण जेन्ना नारीचेर अत्याचार जाता तेन्ना त्या अत्याचाराक कळना, त्या राक्षीच्या वृत्तीक कळना की आपूण त्या भारत मातेचेर बलात्कार करता म्हणून. पण हो बलात्कार जो आसा, हो रेप जो आसा, रेपिस्टांक सोडपाचें ना. ह्या हातींची जी एक कॅन्डल जी जावन आसा ती मशाल घेवन आमी फुडें वचोंक जाय आनी ह्या रेपिस्टांक धडो शिकोवपाकूच जावो ही आमकां एकूच कळकळेची विनंती करता तुमच्या सगळ्यां कडेन.
चलयेचो रेप जाता ताका आमी सगळी सिंपथी दाखयता. वी ऑल नो दॅट वी आर ऑल इक्वल, मेन एंड विमन. पूण इंडियान जेंडर इक्वॉलिटी ना हें सगळ्यांनी मान्य करचेंच पडटलें. आनी ही जेंडर इक्वॉलिटी येवपा खातीर आमकां सिंपथी नाका, चलयांक सिंपथी नाका, आमकां चेंज जाय, सगळ्यांक चेंज जाय आनी सगळ्यांनी ताचो स्विकार करपाक जाय. नॉट ओन्ली विमेन, इवन मेन शूड एक्सेप्ट दिस चेंज एंड वी ऑल शूड कम टुगेदर एंड मेक दिस चेंज हॅपन.
This movement, in addition to asking for an amendment in the law, I think we should also be demanding for strengthening the enforcement machinery. A lot of people spoke about incidents that happen in a school bus, incidents that happen in a classroom. But how do you get the state administration to act? You have to go and file a complaint in the police station. Instead, there should be a helpline number. Measures like that should be put in place when a student or a commuter in the bus can immediately get the state machinery to act and to protect them before a simple incident of eve-teasing turns into.
Which some of the speakers have already said before. One is that it's only a very vigilant and very active and alert society, especially the youth. And that doesn't mean only like women or girls coming forward, like even boys.
Change starts from us. Change starts within us. We decide, we make a resolution that nobody is going to rape us, nobody is going to abuse us. Be sure that this is not going to happen to you anytime in your life. As men, we should always learn to respect women, because it is because of women we come in this world, we enter this world. So I think there should be a change in the mindset made among we men also. And while